Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered about the Pleiades? Well, let me introduce you to this fascinating celestial spectacle. The Pleiades, also known as the Seven Sisters, is an open star cluster located in the constellation of Taurus. This cluster is one of the closest to Earth and can be seen with the naked eye in the northern hemisphere. Its stars are young, hot, and extremely bright, which gives them a distinctive blue color that's easily noticeable even from our planet. Now, you might be wondering, why are they called the Seven Sisters? That's a story steeped in mythology and cultural significance, but we'll dive into that in the next scene. So the next time you look up at the night sky, you'll know that cluster of stars is the Pleiades, but there's much more to these stars than meets the eye. Did you know that the Pleiades have a rich history that spans across various cultures and civilizations? This isn't just a cluster of stars we're talking about. It's a constellation that has been woven into the fabric of human history and mythology, a celestial object that's been inspiring stories and guiding explorers for millennia. In Greek mythology, the Pleiades were the seven daughters of the Titan Atlas and the Oceanid Pleione. After their father was forced to carry the heavens on his shoulders, the girls were transformed into stars to ease his sorrow. This tale of kinship and sacrifice, of divine punishment and immortal redemption, has resonated through the ages, turning these seven stars into symbols of endurance and unity. But the Pleiades' cultural significance extends far beyond the Mediterranean. Aboriginal Australians saw in them the Seven Sisters, a group of women chased by a male figure represented by some of the stars in Orion. These stories were not just for entertainment. They held moral lessons, and they were used to track seasonal changes. Native American tribes also held the Pleiades in high regard. They saw it as the home of their ancestors, a symbol of their origins and future. The cluster's first rising marked the beginning of their calendar year, a celestial event that was met with festivals and celebrations. Across the Pacific, in Japan, the Pleiades were known as Subaru, meaning to gather. This notion of unity and togetherness is so deeply ingrained in their culture that it even inspired the name of a major automobile company. Literature, too, has been touched by the Pleiades. They're mentioned in the Bible, where the cluster's beauty and mystery are used to illustrate the wonder of creation. Greek poets like Homer and Hesiod wrote of them, using their rising and setting to mark the passage of time, the rhythm of life and work. So as you see, the Pleiades are not just a cluster of stars. They hold a wealth of stories and significance across different cultures. The Pleiades aren't just significant in mythology and culture. They're also of great interest to astronomers. In terms of celestial bodies, the Pleiades are considered youngsters, being only around 100 million years old. Now that might sound ancient to us Earthlings, but remember, our universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. So, in the grand cosmic timeline, the Pleiades are just taking their first baby steps. This cluster of stars, also known as the Seven Sisters, is a vibrant playground for studying stellar evolution. The Pleiades provide astronomers with a living laboratory, a place where they can observe the life cycle of stars, from their infancy to their eventual demise. Researchers are continually uncovering new insights from their study of the Pleiades. For instance, they've discovered that these stars are surrounded by a shimmering blue haze, which is actually the result of starlight reflecting off tiny dust particles. This phenomenon, known as a reflection nebula, gives the Pleiades their signature glow. Moreover, the Pleiades are helping astronomers understand more about our own solar system. The age and composition of these stars provide valuable clues about what our sun may have looked like in its youth and how it might evolve in the future. Our understanding of the universe is enhanced by studying clusters like the Pleiades, revealing secrets about our own place in the cosmos. The Pleiades are a beautiful and intriguing part of our night sky. We've journeyed through their existence as a mesmerizing open star cluster in Taurus, explored their cultural significance in various societies, and delved into their scientific importance. So next time you look up at the night sky and see the Pleiades, remember their rich history and significance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and please leave your likes and comments below. Until next time, keep looking up and wondering about the mysteries of our universe.